Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming both accounts are accessible and updated. This reduces interruptions. Sign into your Apple ID in Settings or System Preferences and open the Google app or Gmail. Make sure two-factor authentication is ready. You'll need codes or trusted device approval. Once done, navigate to Apple Settings where you'll manage account connections, because linking requires permission from both sides. Prepare to enter your Google credentials when prompted and accept requested permissions. So now you initiate the link from Apple. Open Settings and choose Accounts or Passwords and Accounts, then add account and pick Google. You'll be redirected to Google's sign-in page. Enter your email and password and complete any two-step verification. Grant the requested permissions so Apple can access email, contacts, and calendars. This is how data syncs between services. Make sure to toggle the specific items you want synced. Otherwise, only partial syncing will occur, and you'll need to repeat these steps later. Finish by checking that mail, contacts, and calendar show your Google entries. That verifies the link. If items are missing, sign out and back in, or toggle the account off and on to force a refresh. If two-factor authentication or app-specific passwords block access, generate an app password in Google and use it for the account on Apple devices. As a quick troubleshooting tip, restart the device after changes. It often clears sync stalls and completes background permission handshakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.